Introducing the 2012 Hyundai Genesis. This two-door, four-passenger coupe is ready to drive off the showroom floor. Hyundai made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features a standard transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. The following features are included: one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a trip computer, and air conditioning. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.